welcome to decorate with me for Easter. Of course you have to put the yard flag in first, and that's my sweet husband Eric's honorary thing to do for every occasion. I'm just going to show you guys some of the Easter decorating that I did and how I did it, where I got some of our items from, and I just hope you enjoy it. Stick around. Okay, I think this is one of the coolest things ever. Eric made several cutouts for me, some for St. Patrick's Day, some for Easter, and then we just did a rough paint on them. Nothing too fancy, but super cute. We may make them fancier next year by adding some more decorative paint, but I'm so grateful that he did this and so proud of him. Here's the projects that we still have to do something with. There's an egg, and the leaping bunny, the solid wood shamrock, and the bunny silhouette. Look how cute they are. See, you can see the little outlines where Eric painted them all. But there's my egg, and the silhouette of the bunny, and then two leaping bunnies, a couple of shamrock. Okay, so I just want to kind of show you some of the elements that are on here. This is a little mini cupcake stand. There's one down here as well. And then these are the little plastic eggs that I got from Michael's. Same thing with these little carrots, they're from Michael's. These little bunnies I already had. This little box I got from Michael's as well, and it's just like a little Easter gift box. As well as this little plant. And this little plant came from Michael's. More of the carrots. I just put crinkly paper down here. And this little egg I already had. It's just a little hanging egg. I just leaned it in there. Oop, there we go. Okay, then I got this Ray Dunn carrot patch sign from Home Goods. This little basket we already had as well. On to my cake stand, which is actually a $5 cake stand from the Target dollar spot that I put a tray from one of my tiered trays on top of. And then I put just these little things in here. All right, so after St. Patrick's Day was over, I spread everything out and added some more elements to it. So this is kind of the final look, the way things ended up in the end in the front entry hall. Everything pulled together. And then here, this little pressed glass thing I actually just got from that $5 section or dollar section at Target. And I just took the same paper that we made the shamrocks with and cut an egg shape and just put it in there. More little cupcake stands. This is my favorite new find, the $5 tiered tray from Target. And I actually got that little canister right there from Dollar Tree. The topiary, I already had. The pot I painted. There's a little cutout, another little cutout that Eric made, with carrot. That topiary, actually I had the topiary, but the little container I just got from Michael's this year. These little baskets I actually made for something else and just stuck them over here for display. The baskets themselves and the eggs were from Dollar Tree. Cutouts that Eric made. I may paint it more next year. I'm not sure. I kind of like the way they look right now. It's a little funny. See that bunny? And Eric did. Okay, and then here don't know why, but I really just like decorating with pretty straws. Carrot, I went back to try to get more of these and this tiered tray. I should have gotten more when I was at Target in the first place because they were gone. Little eggs were from Michael's. This little bunny was from Home Goods. And that little, again, it's a little topiary stuck in a little, I already had both those things. They're just sitting up on a little cup. And then just some little chocolate eggs. So that's kind of the gist of how the entry hall goes. This is just a little coffee bar area in my kitchen. And these pretty little plates I had, they're plastic actually, but they're just so cute. So I just set them here. This little egg was from Michael's. These eggs were from Michael's. This was something that Eric had in his family. More straws back there in a container and some napkins. It's a coffee bar, after all. Then I got this cute little Ray Dunn cup. Actually, it's huge. From Home Goods. Actually says Honey Bunny on the back. Put it in there that way, too, if we wanted to. And then cute little bunny I already had. Carrots from Michael's. Then the Happy Easter plate was from Home Goods as well. Just set that in there. Okay. This was in the dollar section of Target. This little clipboard was from Michael's, and I just drew a little egg picture to put on there. Another little cupcake tray, little bunny from Michael's, and then behind there, I just used some beautiful glass, hand-blown glass that I've had for a while to just kind of elevate and put behind just to make it look pretty. And then over here, I actually have my bunny plates. They're all the same. It's pretty little bunnies. And I just set them over here. And that's in essence how the little coffee bar area looks. This is my mantle. Eric cut out the little leaping bunnies that are sitting on top. And then this little string is a Ray Dunn little string of bunnies and carrots that I got at Home Goods. And then I had these are beautiful little handmade. See if I can reach it, it's way up here. Leaping bunnies. I'm sure my mother gave me these. They're actually supposed to go into a plant. They're so pretty, I love them. And I just stuck them up here. Oops, in that little container. And that's the hearth. Oh no, the mantle, sorry.
All right, everyone, that's it for decorating with me for Easter. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I sure enjoyed doing it for you. And definitely if you're here for the first time, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and like this video if you liked it so I can make sure to add more content just like it for you.